Welcome back to MVP Show. Bentley Bentayga redefines luxury in the SUV segment, blending performance with an elegant and imposing design. At first glance, the front end captivates with its signature large, matrix grille, which now features a sleeker and more contemporary finish. The iconic round LED headlights are equipped with Bentley's crystal-cut design, providing a jewel-like effect that enhances its presence on the road. The hood flows seamlessly into the bold front fascia, creating a dynamic yet refined stance. Moving to the side profile, the Bentayga's proportions are perfectly balanced, emphasizing both strength and sophistication. The character lines along the body are sharp and deliberate, running from the front fenders to the rear, giving a sense of motion even when the car is stationary. Its 22-inch wheels are a statement of both power and style, with intricate designs that complement the car's luxurious nature. Optional blacked out trim elements allow buyers to personalize their Bentayga further, catering to individual tastes. The rear of the 2025 Bentayga is where elegance meets modernity. The oval-shaped tail lights, inspired by Bentley's Continental GT, now feature a 3D effect LED design, creating a distinct signature. The elongated tailgate integrates seamlessly with the rest of the bodywork, showcasing Bentley's precision engineering. Quad exhaust outlets emphasize the SUV's performance pedigree while adding a sporty flair. A subtle roof spoiler enhances aerodynamics without detracting from the vehicle's luxury-first ethos. Bentley's attention to detail is evident in the paint options and exterior finishes. With over 60 available colors, customers can choose from standard finishes or opt for the Cullinan customization program to create a one-of-a-kind look. Every element of the exterior design has been meticulously crafted to reflect Bentley's heritage and commitment to excellence. The 2025 Bentley Bentayga represents the perfect union of tradition and innovation. Its exterior design is not just a visual masterpiece but also a testament to the brand's pursuit of perfection.